Real numbers. Number of factors of a number. Objectives. 1. Number of factors of a number. 2. Sum of factors of a number. 3. Product of factors. Number of factors of a number. Suppose n is a given natural number and we find the number of factors or divisions of a number n. Express n equal to p1 power alpha 1 into p2 power alpha 2 into p3 power alpha 3 into so on into pk power alpha k, where p1, p2, p3, so on pk are prime numbers and alpha 1, alpha 2, so on alpha k are indices, not necessarily prime numbers. Then, the number of total divisors or factors of n is equal to alpha 1 plus 1 into alpha 2 plus 1 into alpha 3 plus 1 into so on into alpha k plus 1. Illustration 1. Find the number of factors or divisors of 600. Let us express the given number as a product of primes. 600 is equal to 2 into 300. Is equal to 2 into 2 into 150 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 75 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 25, which is equal to 2 power 3 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 2. Here we observe that alpha 1 is equal to 3, alpha 2 is equal to 1 and alpha 3 is equal to 2. Now, using the above, we have the number of total factors or divisors is equal to alpha 1 plus 1 into alpha 2 plus 1 into alpha 3 plus 1, which is equal to 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1. Therefore, number of factors is equal to 24. Sum of factors of a number. Express n as a product of primes as discussed above. The sum of all factors of n is equal to p1 power alpha 1 plus 1 minus 1 into p2 power alpha 2 plus 1 minus 1 and so on into pk power alpha k plus 1 minus 1 whole by p1 minus 1 into p2 minus 1 and so on into pk minus 1. Now, let us find the sum of factors of a given number by taking an example through illustration. Illustration 2. Find the sum of all factors of a number 240. Solution. Let us express the given number as a product of primes. 240 is equal to 2 into 120 is equal to 2 into 2 into 60 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 30 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 15 is equal to 2 power 4 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Here we observe that alpha 1 is equal to 4, alpha 2 is equal to 1 and alpha 3 is equal to 1 and P1 is equal to 2, P2 is equal to 3 and P3 is equal to 5. Let us substitute the values in the sum of all factors of n formula. We get the sum of all factors is equal to 2 power 4 plus 1 minus 1 into 3 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 5 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 whole divided by 2 minus 1 into 3 minus 1 into 5 minus 1, which is equal to 31 into 8 into 24 whole divided by 1 into 2 into 4. Therefore, number of factors equals 744. Product of factors of a number. The product of factors of a given composite number n is equal to n power m by 2 where m is total number of factors of n. Now, let us find the product of factors of a given number by taking an example through illustration. Illustration 3. Find the product of all factors of a number 180. Solution. Let us express the given number as a product of primes. 180 is equal to 2 into 90, is equal to 2 into 2 into 45, is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 15, is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5, which is equal to 2 power 2 into 3 power 2 into 5 power 1. Number of factors of 180 is given by n equals to 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 18. Therefore, the product of factors is equal to 180 whole power 18 by 2, which is equal to 180 power 9. Summary.